Hello, it's Tom from Oracle Time, and today we'll be looking at the Girard Perregaux Laureato Absolute Chronograph. As always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest luxury watch reviews. If you're into your watches, you'll probably be familiar with the Laureato range. It was first introduced in 1975 amongst a whole host of luxury sports watches, which saw a deviation from the traditional round watch design. The aim for brands such as GP was to create a watch that was more versatile, contemporary, and more fitting of the design language of the era. Think angular designs and a watch you can wear during the day in the office and also out partying in the evening. Now, the Girard Perregaux Laureato Absolute collection was launched this year, 2019. It's comprised of 4 models: the Time Only, the World Timer, the Chronograph Carbon Glass, and the Chronograph, which we'll be looking at today. The new Absolute range is very different to the more classic sports watch design that was reintroduced for the Laureato in 2017. Gone is the Clou de Paris dial, and the watch is bigger, bolder, and much more modern. The Absolute Chronograph has a black PVD coated titanium case which almost appears to seep onto the sunburst black to blue dial. On the dial you have thick lume coated batten hands, inset hour markers and sub-dials which give the watch some additional depth. In terms of the size, the watch is 44mm in diameter and 14.6mm tall, so it is on the large side. However, thanks to its blacked out appearance, visually it looks a lot slimmer. Inside the Laureato Absolute Chronograph is the existing in-house Girard Perregaux caliber GP033001058 automatic chronograph movement, which is no doubt very reliable. The watch comes with a new rubber strap, which is incredibly comfortable to wear and also spells out the GP name on either side. It's definitely a bold move. Personally, I prefer something a little bit more understated, and especially on such a stealthy looking watch. However, clearly the Absolute collection is aimed to capture a separate audience from the people who are interested in the traditional Laureato. It's bigger, bolder, brasher, and a lot more modern. In terms of the cost, here in the UK, the Laureato Absolute Chronograph will be £9,600, which is a fair amount for a titanium-cased chronograph. However, Girard Perregaux have been around for 167 years, they're one of the oldest watch manufacturers in the world, and they do hold a lot of prestige. So there you have the Girard Perregaux Laureato Absolute Chronograph. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest luxury watch reviews. Thank you.